Last time, we stayed with the beginning. We're slowing down, with the decision to listen rather than feel direct. This is not a new thought, it's the same one returning. When the carving stops, something else begins. Assembly isn't about completion, it's about alignment. Each connection asks for a quiet question. Does this belong here? Not structurally, but inwardly. I don't force the answer. I place the form and wait. Wood remembers everything, the pressure, the pauses, even the moments of doubt. If something resists, it's really the wood that's uncertain. Slowness at this stage isn't carefulness, it's respect. Balance reveals itself gradually, not through symmetry, but through trust. This is the part no one rushes through, because rushing would undo everything that came before. When the piece finally stands on its own, I don't think of it as finished. I think of it as settled. It no longer needs my hands, only my attention. Stillness isn't the absence of movement. It's what remains when the work has said enough.